In Ayurveda, natural healing is the heart of everything. And whenever we hear about Ayurveda, there is almost entirely one name that stands out: Triphala. This beautiful combination of three herbs, Amlaki, Haritaki, and Bibitaki, is this perfect combination which our nanis and our dadis have mentioned about. This herb or this combination of herb has been used since at least the last 1000-2000 years since Ayurveda has been generated. But why is Triphala so significant in Ayurveda? What does it really do to our body? I'm going to answer these questions in this video. Triphala itself is a Tridosh Hara. That means it balances three different doshas in our body. Starting with Amlaki, which is rich in vitamin C, which is also a strong anti-inflammatory, is used for cooling and detoxification in your body. Second herb, Haritaki, which is a Vata dosh pacifier, actually helps boost your digestion, reduce pains in your body, and also helps in elimination. This Vata dosh pacifier is also great for promoting rejuvenation. Third herb, Bibitaki, is a Kapha dosha pacifier, meaning it reduces excess mucus from your body, removes toxins, as well as boosts metabolism. Now, there are four properties of Triphala which are very, very important to understand. Number one property is Langanam. That means it is lightening in nature. It detoxifies your body so that your body takes out the excess toxins. Number two property is Bringanam. That means nourishing. There are very less formulations in Ayurveda which are both Langanam and Bringanam together. That means Triphala is that unique combination which helps do both. Bringanam means nourishing and helping your body build up that strength that it needs. Number three is Shrota Shodhan. That means clearing out your channels. Triphala has that unique property not only to take out the mucus, take out the toxins from your big channels, but also channels as small as micro channels or nano channels in your cell. Number four is Dhatu Poshan. That means nourishing your tissues. Tissues like connective tissue, which is your blood, tissues like muscle, tissues like fat, all are nourished with the use of Triphala. Based on this, there are multiple properties of Triphala that you still don't know about, and I'm going to be telling you this. Number one property is balancing your digestion and detoxifying. That means Agni Deepan and Ama Pachan. Now, how does Triphala do that? Triphala has this property to take out the excess ama, inflammation or toxins from your body. It rekindles your digestion, brings your digestion back so that the digestive power can digest any food, any stress, any emotion that the body experiences. Triphala has a way of eliminating the excess waste produced in your body through promoting peristalsis of your colon, through elimination which is done in a very clear way. It not only removes the excess ama from your body, the toxin sitting there, but also starts nourishing the tissues, the cells that it encounters on the way. Triphala not only detoxifies your intestines by removing the excess waste sitting there and relieving yourself of constipation, but it also detoxifies your liver, your gut, as well as your blood. Triphala also has the capacity to be a natural laxative. So for those who suffer from chronic constipation, Triphala is a great natural replacement for your regular laxatives. Triphala has a way of nourishing your mind as well. Everybody thinks that there is no connection between your constipation and the way your mind thinks. If you're constipated, you're foggy, you worry, you have anxiety, you have depression, you have lethargy, and multiple other manifestations. Triphala is that simple remedy to clear out your gut as well as your mind. Other than that, Triphala also rekindles your Agni without irritating your Pitta dosh too much. That means it is very soft in its elimination and rekindles your Agni or makes your digestive power strong in a very soft manner without causing a disturbance in any of your doshas. In addition to all of this, Triphala supports your sense organs as well. Number one, eye health. It is an excellent eye wash. It is also used in Netratarpan. The vitamin C in Amlaki is very, very good for your eyes. Triphala is also known to promote oral health, and guess what? It's already there in one of our formulations called Iodine Classic Toothpaste, which is a great addition to your oral care routine if you're a person who follows Ayurveda. On top of that, Triphala is great for boosting your immunity because it strengthens Ojas. Ojas is the essence of vitality and immunity in Ayurveda, and Triphala is a direct replenisher of Ojas in your body. If you're still not convinced on using Triphala, well, the skin and hair health influencers can utilize this for enhancing their skincare routine or their hair care routine as well. All you have to do is mix a little bit of Triphala powder with aloe vera gel to apply on skin, and this paste can also be used for the hair care routine as well. Now the problem out there is Triphala is not always authentic and not always pure. To ensure this, at Maharishi Ayurveda, we make sure that the herbs that we source from are of the best quality. On top of that, we expose the herbs or give them the sanskar of transcendental meditation and Vedic chants like Rigved and Samved, so that the herbs are enlivened from within and give you the best nourishment. In Ayurveda, 3 to 6 gram of Triphala is considered safe over a short period of time. However, most organizations out there provide only half gram of a tablet. Condensing the Triphala powder into 1 gram of tablet allows you to take smaller dosages at a time and also helps relieve constipation with only 1 or 2 tablets as compared to any other Triphala formulation out there. So what my recommendation is, find out the source of your Triphala to see whether it is worth trying or not. It works only if the herbs are sourced from the right place, if they've been exposed to the right sanskars. Find out whether the brand holds the values of purity, testing, quality and accuracy in the formulations they make or not. Standardization is another big problem in Ayurvedic industry, so make sure the brand that you're trusting is worth trusting. Find out what their certifications are, and that's the way to start with. This is how you can use Triphala in your daily routine. Number 1, for detox and daily well-being, if you're using it, 1 to 2 grams of Triphala powder should be enough. If not, you can always have 1 to 3 tablets of Triphala at bedtime with warm water. Number 2, if you're using it for a skincare routine, you can mix 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder with either rose water or aloe vera gel and apply it as a pack. Second, for your hair care routine, again, you can either mix it with aloe vera gel, about 1 teaspoon of Triphala, or even more if you have longer hair, and apply it as a hair pack. For oral health, I always recommend a Triphala mouthwash, which is mixing 1 tablespoon of Triphala with about 250 ml of water and bringing it down to about 1 cup. This 1 cup can be used as a mouthwash and can also be stored in fridge overnight for only 1 or 2 nights maximum. Now you've understood that Triphala is this great elixir of life and can be used as a daily nourisher, gut reformer, or generally a prebiotic. And if you'd like to use Triphala for a long term, do consult our Vaidya and call the number on the screen. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. Comment in the section below if you've already been taking Triphala, and do tell us about your symptoms, and do subscribe to our channel because we get you the best authentic Ayurveda updates out there. Thank you so much for joining us. Jai Gurudev.